You're on low budget, but yet you want to have a high quality video from the photography, videography, the lighting and everything. But you're wondering, how can I do this for less than $100? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get all of that in less than $100. Let's start up with the light. The first thing you want to do is try to block out all natural light here. Closing windows, putting down curtains and the likes. I'll show you guys in a bit. Now, I'm sure you can't even see me. And this is where you use the 45-degree angle roll, where you put your key light 45 degrees away from you and the camera. And just watch what difference it makes when I switch it back on. Now, you can see right now we have the key light, which is 45 degrees away from me, the subject. But it's just kind of a hard shadow right here. We want to put a fill light to put light at the other side of my face. Now we can see that this is a whole lot better from where it was and to where it is right now. But sometimes you might need a little bit of flashy things, maybe adding something to the back so that the back will not just be empty. And right now you can see I've put a practical light at the back. What I used was just a cheap ring light I was laying around, put it up to one color, put a basket on top of it, a laptop then on top of it, and then connected it to my power bank. Right now you can see a contrast between a key light, which is 45 degrees away from me, after reducing the brightness just a little bit, a fill light so that to keep this place lit up at least, not completely dark as it was before, and a fill light. Now that we have our lighting set up all right, let's talk about audio, because audio is technically 50% of video quality. And you don't need a fancy audio kit like the biggest YouTubers out there in the world that uses hundreds or thousands of dollars worth of video quality kit. You can use something as cheap as this, something that does the work. You just have to connect it right here, which is the receiver, to a Type-C output. And then it's either you put on the noise cancelling feature post-production using that, or you use it with your smartphone. You can either hold it like this or attach it. Now it is very near with your mouth and your audience can hear and see you clearly. You have to make your mistakes not noticeable at all. And that's where the power of post-production comes in. Now, you take it to your editing software of your choice. You can use Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro X, or CapCut. But in this case, we're going to use CapCut because it is free and it is free. Yeah. So you import your clips, you cut down all your mistakes, cut it down, and then you have your first step into making a good video, which is the A-roll shot. You still need to combine your B-rolls on this. You start to put your B-rolls where exactly you need them to be. Color grading it can be done after everything. And speaking of color grading, I'm going to make this video as short as possible. Instead of taking each clip and color grading it, you can adjustment layer across board and color grade the adjustment layer, and that adjustment layer will match with everything in that timeline. So quick editor's mistake right here. I just found out that you could just color grade one clip that you like and then apply it to all of your other clips. So you don't need to create an adjustment layer. Just put it right there and you're good to go, I guess. But suppose you still don't have a microphone. Well, you can still use your smartphone microphone, but there's a catch. You have to make it either a very silent room or you do it the traditional way. You export or you extract the audio from your video, take it to Adobe Audio Studio online course stuff. I'm going to put the link in the description. After you have taken it there, you then proceed into asking the AI to make this audio crisp, something that you'd see and hear in professional setup. By doing that, you eliminate all types of noise and you make your videos crisp. So tell me what you think about this in the comment section below, and if you tried it out for yourself, was this any helpful? I'm going to try to leave links to each and every one of these things, but depending on when you are seeing this video. My name is Asaf and this is Boxer Boy Tech, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.